I'm the kind of person who at night reads until late, dreams that they can fly, and sometimes I count sheep. They also grind my teeth and wake up with a sore jaw. Well, not anymore, because now I have Nobrux. Nobrux is a night guard designed especially for me using digital technology. My dentist gave it to me in this pack, which contains everything I need to take care of it and myself. Mint-flavored spray, a protective case, and cleaning tablets. Now I wake up feeling great, and I smile all day long.